want to know how a Java developer can get 7 years of growth in 1 year or less? In one of my previous jobs, while I was spending a lot of time improving my Java skills, I was stuck in my career, while other developers, less technically qualified, were getting promoted and I wasn't. Naturally, I became curious and engaged in conversations with these developers to uncover the underlying factors that contributed to their success. Through my discussions, I discovered that many elements significantly shape a developer's career trajectory, including ownership, problem solving, personal branding, and people networking. The other crucial point I noticed is that those developers who were ahead without many years of experience were being instructed by someone more experienced. You can get much of that knowledge from books, courses, events, and social media platforms. However, they only take you so far. I know from experience that having a mentor is the most powerful way to excel and ascend to the peak of your career. There will come a point where you need a mentor to provide strategic shortcuts and fine-tune your decisions and actions. That's because the vision of a mentor will give you so many powerful insights that will make your career rocket launch very quickly. So instead of making many mistakes and wasting time to get to where you want, you will get there with the help of a mentor, preventing your mentor's mistakes. You can quickly search on Google and notice that nearly all history makers had a mentor. Steve Jobs had Robert Freeland, Bill Gates had Dr. Ed Roberts, and Mark Zuckerberg had Steve Jobs as a mentor. So why wouldn't you accelerate your career, be stronger technically, and get the best jobs by having a mentor like them? Does that make sense to you? I'm Rafael Del Nero, a Java champion and mentor dedicated to empowering developers like you to earn more and boost your career. I have even more valuable insights to share with you. So join me on this journey and gain access to a wealth of videos and proven strategies employed by the highest paid Java developers in the industry. And if this resonates with you, show your support by giving a like and sharing this video. And stay tuned, follow me, and receive regular updates with valuable content and strategies. And never forget, break your limits.